Matthew, Melody, Mallory, Maria, and Bradley. What I'm going to do is overview VoiceThread. That's how you're going to present your slides to the class. You're going to receive a link with some instructions, and we'll practice a bit because it may be new to you. But what it is, it's an interactive tool in which you can verbally relay information, whether it's talking about one slide, a summary of slides, or the entire project. So I would like for you at this point in time, take a look at your 17 slides. You can do it in two ways, or you can come up with something entirely different. So I'm just making some suggestions. So let's say 17 slides, each one of you deliver 2 slides. And you will record those 2 slides overviewing the content, but also how you come up with the content. And I'll give you one example. So I believe Mallory came up with the interview. She can actually take 2 slides that covered that information and talk about how she came up with the questions, how she delivered the questions, when she delivered the questions, who to, and what the participant had said about her questions. So again, just overviewing this information in an interactive way, since we're different towns, different cities. So again, we'll practice. If you mess up, we'll re-record this thing as many times as you need. Also, a couple of things that you'll be seeing. You'll get the link, you'll get some instructions, and you'll hit start. And what you're going to see at the bottom, it's going to say stop recording. That actually means that you are recording. You're going to see a flashing red light, off and on, off and on. And once you have fulfilled your information for that slide, you will hit stop recording. Now, if you want to be more interactive and use a pencil or pen, you're going to see that on the right-hand side of the stop recording at the bottom. You can click on that pen, and there's different color combinations. And as you're talking, you can write, circle, provide some pictures. Not a great picture, but you get the gist here. And again, as I'm talking about maybe this section here, what do I see? How would I describe it? But again, it is a nice visual. So what I'm going to do now is hit stop recording, and you're going to see a couple of cylinders at the bottom, and it will say cancel or upload, and it will automatically upload. If you like it, keep it. If you want to try it again, hit cancel, reword the thing, rework the slide, and again, it's up to you. I'm going to hit record, stop recording, and you will actually also upload a picture. And once you stop recording, you're going to see the picture, and when you hit the picture, it's going to re-record what you have just recorded. So that's the gist of the overview of VoiceThread. Again, my suggestions are maybe take 2 or 3 slides. You don't have to. Make it your own. Good job up to today's date, and I'm sure that I'm going to be very happy with your final project. Thank you. All right, for slide 2, just as practice again. So what you see is objectives: identify current practices for ordering diagnostic imaging. You look at the summary of findings. I can use my pen and circle. Review of literature. I can underline. Again, when you see the slide, at the middle portion of the bottom, you're going to see a cross sign. You're going to click on the cross sign, and it's going to give you a couple of images. One, a microphone, which that's what I'm using right now, just a verbal introduction. You can also use your camera, and as you're speaking, be recorded via your camera on your computer. I will leave that up to you as well. Either way is great. There's also a telephone. We will not be using that. The two options that you will be using is the microphone and or the live camera on your computer. So we'll stop there. I'm going to send you the link, and you can start practicing recording, drawing, and also discussing what you're going to talk about for each of the slides. So good night for now, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.